We are at a Petro-Canada gas station in Winnipeg, Manitoba. We are going to go through their super wash, car wash. And if you're wondering why I don't have my GoPro or any dash cam video, is because I thought that wasn't really necessary and just wasted a bunch of space. So I'm going to go back to my old way of filming car washes. It's open. I believe this is a MacNeil system.
Please scan your ticket or car wash card. Please put your vehicle in neutral. Your code has been authorized. Thank you.
This is going to be a pretty short wash. Here we go. Tri-foam at the beginning. Here we have another set of brushes. And this might be spot-free rinse. We're already at the dryers. Wow, that was quick. Well, that was a pretty good car wash. It was very quick and it seemed to clean the car quite well.